Hi, my name is Muhammet. Here's an app that I've been working on for the last couple of months. As you might see, the app is called Schedule. I use the programming language Swift with Xcode, and the purpose of the app is to display the schedule of any school, which later adapts to changes like early dismissals and assemblies. I made this app so that students do not have to waste their time on setting up a simple schedule app, and they can use it to check schedule changes or discover new classes that their school has to offer. Right now, I signed in with my email to synchronize my classes with the cloud, and I'm selecting a high school that provides their schedules. Now I have to add my classes so the app can create a visually appealing table for me to look at. I'm going to speed up this process because it takes around 50 seconds to add them. When I start typing, it begins to suggest me with options that are similar to what I typed, which makes it faster to set up than a traditional schedule app. Here the student is given with options to manage their classes before moving on. They can delete and rearrange their classes. And we're done. Here's the home screen. Now that we've completed the setup, every time you open the app, you will be greeted with this screen instead. It updates every 5 minutes to check for schedule changes. Fortunately, a user can check other schedules during a regular day by using this drop-down menu. Here's some information about the Google account you signed in with during the setup process. And here we've got other options. In the classes section, we can manage and discover new classes the district is providing. You can also see the description of your classes, which are also pulled from my online database. When I presented this app to the school administration, they loved it, and one of the admins asked if we could move it to somewhere easy to see. So I came up with an idea that I'm still working on, which displays the schedule as a widget on your home or lock screen. Thank you for watching.